Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. I'm in Microsoft Copilot and I have 3 uploads from Local Falcon for one of my clients. This is the heat map. This is what I do next. So I'm going to say review these 3 images and let me know which dots have flipped to green. And I'm going to say that means a page 1 ranking on Google search, which is good. And then break down by the neighborhood, the population of those dots. Next, I want to see what the population size is of the latest scan that is read in the or on the upper right of the map. Okay, so I have a few prompts going on within Copilot. So this is actually kind of what I'm doing next. So they've, Copilot has analyzed the 3 scans. So, basically before, middle, and after. Then I have the dots that flip. So this is actually really important. So when I'm talking to my clients, a lot of this is saying, based off the latest scan that I took on December 29th, Upper West Side had 3 dots flip. And then as you can keep going through Harlem, East Harlem, et cetera. This is really important, especially if you're not too familiar with the location. So me as a consultant, I'm in New York. I have clients all over the place. And, for example, like in San Diego, I don't really know the neighborhood. So I use this type of analysis to really analyze the heat map to get an understanding of what dots have flipped. But then this is actually kind of what I do next. So within the Copilot analysis that I just did, then I want to look at different population sizes. So within New York City, it's a little bit difficult to get the granular pocket level of population because it's so small and it's so densely populated. But if you were, let's say, where I am in upstate New York, if you were, let's say, in Saratoga Springs or Ballston Spa, it's a little bit more populated. But if you go out to like Greenwich or other neighborhoods too, the population size can really decrease from, let's say, 25,000 to then 2,000. So this analysis that I'm doing within Copilot really allows me to see, okay, here's the neighborhoods that are flipped, and then also kind of what is the potential opportunity. And this is what I really like. Estimated population coverage based on the average dot coverage, census data, about 160,000 residents that we could be going after for this particular type of heat map and the keywords. Now, obviously, not everyone's going to be searching for that, but it's the pockets of opportunity is really important. So when I'm talking with my clients and we're going over the heat map scan and we're talking about dots that are flipping and how many searches we're getting, how many impressions we're getting, and website clicks and phone calls, the next part of the conversation really is where are the pockets of population. So I use Copilot to get that initial baseline, and then I kind of share those results with my client, and we talk about do we want to go after these areas? How important are these dots for us to flip? And then also, more importantly, is this where our target audience is, especially in New York City too. Are they going to be willing to, let's say, travel via train or subway or maybe car to the location for the particular service that my client provides? But anyway, I wanted to just record this video, talk a little bit of how I use Copilot to analyze the heat maps, and then kind of figure out the next steps, what I need to do with my clients, which is have that next step of the conversation, which is where we really want to target to flip more dots. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.